Yeah, and as you can see, I more or less I got the Ankermake bug, and the incredible thing about this is more like I bought one to try it on the release, and I got so impressed by it, so I instantly got another one. And the reason is I have a customer now that wants more small parts in a mass production way. And when I checked the specs for the Ankermake m5c, it has 300 degree all metal hot end, 500 millimeters second print speed, and it's pretty silent, as you can probably hear here as well. It's not much noise, and especially me that have my little print farm in my apartment with very nosy neighbors that complain about any slightest sound. So is it very important with sound levels. And I'm not printing at full speed now. I found more or less like if I print around 150 millimeters a second or 120, it gets extremely silent, so I can do like overnight printing with multiple machines more or less. And yeah, I'm already thinking about maybe getting one or two more of these Ankermakes. And if you get the chance, try them. They are pretty cheap and they are actually pretty high quality. And the compact size of them makes them ideal for print farms. And I control them completely wirelessly through the slicer or through the phone. But I can tell you the Ankermake slicer is crap. It's awful. I more or less use the ordinary M5 profile in Cura, and then just change the bed size and increase the speeds in there. So I'm gonna provide some more updates on my Ankermake machines later on when I'm finished. I'm going on vacation for 1.5 weeks now, so it will be some time until I do more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.